Welcome to Musto Invest In Cambodia, and right now I'm in Bovet City. Yes, Bovet City is actually one of the fastest growing cities here in Cambodia. It's on the border with Vietnam, and you can see there are many casinos. There are actually 12 casinos here in Bovet, and I will be talking to you about the possibilities for investment, why so many investors are moving here in Bovet. But before we start, don't forget to like the video, share it to your friends, subscribe to Musto Invest In Cambodia, hit the notification button and contact us if you need any help. If you're coming to Cambodia to visit, to invest, or if you plan for some advice, check out our 3 official websites in the description below, and our Facebook meta page and Instagram page. So let's talk about Bovet. Many investors are coming here because of the SCZ. The SCZ are the special economic zones here. The special economic zones are the areas without any tax. Many investors are moving here. Why? Because of the SCZ, the special economic zones. There are few special economic zones where you can actually register a company with a QIP status. The QIP status will give you almost no taxes up to 9 years. You can export your products made here or assembled here and then ship to other countries. Like I've had a client from China that wants to ship to the United States or to North America. That's why it's actually advantageous if you want to set up a company, because yes, you can get incentives up to 9 years for tax-free, and also you can open an offshore company here in Bovet. And land here has really increased in price over the last few years. So many casinos have opened up in the last couple of years, and also there is a lot of trade because we are next to the Vietnam border, so a lot of trade is happening here. And actually a lot of factories have opened up near Bovet in Svay Rieng province. So you can open a company either as a QIP or as a private limited, which is cheaper to register but more taxes than a QIP. A QIP will actually give you tax incentives up to 9 years. And also you can open an offshore company. Maybe you have a head office in Hong Kong or in Singapore, depends on you, but that's another possibility. And yes, Bovet is around 4 hours from Phnom Penh, and since it's next to the Vietnam border, actually it's very good to invest here. And if you like to invest here or any investment opportunities, you would like to open a factory or do manufacturing here, you can contact us. And let's talk about opening a factory or manufacturing. How long does it take? Because yes, to build a basic structure, let's give an example like 20,000 square meters. To build a factory, it will take from 3 to 6 months. If it's the dry season, it can take 3 months. If it's the rainy season, it will take up to 6 months to set up the structure and everything. If you are also looking to recruit people like factory workers, we can also assist you in that. If you need labor, we can help you. We have a professional HR recruitment team that can help you. You can see the border with Vietnam is right there, few meters ahead of me, and Vietnam is ahead, very near Ho Chi Minh City. And yes, there will be a brand new highway from Phnom Penh to Bovet, 135 kilometers highway, which will really reduce the speed from 4 hours to just 2 hours and will connect Ho Chi Minh City. And yes, this highway is actually a highway that will be completed by the end of 2027, and the Malaysian company is actually helping to build it. And the total cost of 1.3 billion US dollars. So yes, this is all I have for you today. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.